rich, savory chicken curry with a sauce that's so beautifully spiced. This is my version of Japanese chicken curry. This has got to be one of the most comforting curry dishes you can make at home, and I'm going to show you how we can make the whole thing from scratch, and it really doesn't need a lot of complicated ingredients, you'd be surprised. Let's start off by making a roux. Now this is going to be a spiced roux. This is what you would normally buy in those little cubes from the supermarket, those Japanese curry cubes. I'm going to do it from scratch. So I want some butter first, and just wait for that to melt. Now add in some flour, mix that until we get it all nicely incorporated. And I want to keep cooking and stirring this butter flour mixture until I get a little bit darker than blonde kind of color. Okay, so just a couple of minutes here and we've got the right color. I'm going to add in some curry powder. Now I'm using some Japanese curry powder. That to me gives the best flavor. But you could use any regular curry powder you have at home as well. And then also some garam masala. Okay, just mix those spices through. And by now, everything should be smelling amazing. And just empty that out. Save it for later. And now the curry itself. I just want a little bit of oil to start off with. And some aromatics to get everything going. Some garlic and some onion. And as always, when I'm using onion as like the base layer of something, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and that's going to help to draw out the moisture, make the onions sweet and tender. Now just give these onions a couple of minutes to sizzle away. Now I'm going to add that spiced roux that we made. And then in goes my chicken. So I'm using chicken thigh, or you could use chicken breast if you want to as well. And now come the ingredients that will give our curry its special character. A little bit of soy sauce first, and some honey. Using apple cider vinegar today because I'm going to be using apple juice to flavour this as well, but you could use regular vinegar as well. And the apple juice. And you could experiment with different juices here. I've done a peach juice that was really nice. Finally, some chicken stock. For the vegetables, I'm going with a mix of carrot and potato for this one. And now all we have to do is be very patient and wait. So bring this up to a gentle simmer, then turn the heat down and cook it with the lid off so it gets a chance to thicken up until those potatoes and the carrot are really soft and tender. About 45 minutes. Now this has my kitchen smelling so amazing. Let's have a look. Oh, so thick and deliciously rich with all those spices. I love how you get this balance of spices, a little bit of heat, some of that fruit flavor as well. So good. I am going to add a little bit of chili powder. This is totally optional and you can add as much or as little as you like. And then just a little dash of salt as well. Now I like to add a little bit of pickled ginger here as well. And there you go, such a comforting dish to make at home and pretty easy as well, as long as you're a little patient, which I am when it comes to good food. Perfect.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.